Hey, check it out. My wife made Pac-Man bread. Oh, I love it. She was trying to make a homemade cornbread last night, and she didn't have the exact stuff for the recipe, so she tried to wing it using some substitutes. It didn't come out too good, kind of like overcooked, but she can redeem herself. She's at the store now. But man, that is, come on now, that's hilarious. Happy Valentines to all the ladies out there. Men, I hope you got your ladies something nice. Sankia, man, I know you're a cheap dude, man. You better got your wife something nice, man. She's got to deal with you. All right, let's go outside and see what the wife's up to. All right, I'm not sure how many people saw my video on this. Maybe it's not your thing for review, but I just want to thank the company Water for sending me this. I told everybody I had this thing coming. I got it. I did a review on it. This is what I'm going to take on the trail to keep me safe and from getting sick. This is a water bottle, but it uses UV light to kill live bacteria, and it uses a charcoal filtration system. So this is actually so cool. This is a pre-production beta model, and I got my hands on it so I could take it on the trail. How cool is that? Alright, hopefully it's not too windy. I did want to say, on my videos I add subtitles, closed caption. I'm not sure how other languages say it. Currently I do it in Russian, Ukrainian, German, and Spanish. You know, my wife coming from Russia, we got quite a few Russian subscribers, and then just our travels throughout the world, I've gained kind of a larger international audience. So if you're watching my channel and you're interested in subtitles for your language, it make you easier, just let me know. It's really easy for me to add. It doesn't cost me anything. What I do is Google provides a transcript of all the English. So I go through the English and try to clean it up, because sometimes they just get words wrong, or sometimes things don't translate if I use like a slang. So like if I say it's, I'll change it to it is, so it makes it a little bit easier. And then from there, Google/YouTube offers a auto translation. So the auto translation might not be the best, apologize for that, but it's the best I can do. At least I try to clean up the English. So say hi, dog. The German eating the Statue of Liberty head. Look at this woman. She is relentless in her pursuit of
what?
Gardening and all this stuff.
Oh.
Yeah. She's actually got a lot of stuff planned out here, but we kind of let it go. So that's peaches, right? This first one?
Yeah.
Peaches, then that, oh. So now she just planted a pear tree. Yeah. Then we got another fruit tree there.
Persimmon.
Persimmons.
No. Pomegranates.
Pomegranates.
Yeah, here and there. And a satsuma. Mandarin.
Wait. And then we have two chestnuts?
Yeah, two chestnuts.
Two chestnut trees over here. And then there's some blueberry bushes. Yeah. Unfortunately, she really got working on the garden and the stuff out front, and this backyard kind of took back over again, and I don't know what's hers, so I'm pretty sure if I come out here with the saw blade on the weed eater, I'm gonna end up taking a lot of her stuff out. So hey, get this, guys, long-term viewers of the channel know that when we put this big beautiful garage up, that we had problems with the neighbor behind me. Appears he's moving. Kind of wanted to wait to make sure it was actually going to happen. The house got listed. It was up in the market for like 3 weeks. It's kind of pricey, but I mean, you have to understand houses here are selling a day or two, but so the house was on, and then it came off. It just said off market, never said it was sold. So yeah. I come out here one day and there's 2 pods out there in the driveway. Then they've been picked up, and it's been a while, so I kind of thought maybe he wasn't go through with it. But then yesterday we were out here cleaning up out here, and he opened the garage door, it was jam full of boxes. And then today 2 more pods showed up. This made me a happy guy. If you guys don't know, just go back some of my old videos there. But yeah, he got a case of the ass. He didn't like the fact that I cleared my property to put up the garage, and he tried to get the attorney. Believe it or not, there's like 7 houses on the street behind my house, and they're their own little community. And he tried to get the attorney to send me something, tell me cease and desist. I can't use their road for my construction. Never was. I did need to clear the land, and we came off of that road to clear the land. I had the chain link fence dropped, and they came out here and cleared it. And as soon as that was done, we put the chain link back up. Just the fence guy was supposed to put in a gate on the other side of the house. His truck broke down, so without the gate, I couldn't get the equipment back here. So the fence guy, because it was his mistake, opened up the chain link. So it was the only option I had, because I already had the guy scheduled, and they were out here to come clear the land, because, you know, I'm on a time crunch. I had the land clearing, then I had the concrete guy set to come out here and do the foundation, and then I already had the building ordered. So kind of like all this stuff lined up, so I had to get it done. I mean, seriously, what was the harm? Come off the street. Anyhow, yeah. So then now he been doing trespass warnings for his house to me. I ain't never been over there, but hey, well, it looks like it's all gonna end now. He's moving. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We know the Appalachian Trail has their trail tags. Well, I want to make my own trail tag with my logo, so I got this old piece of plexi here that is gonna work just fine. Let's try to make ourselves a trail tag here. That way people see me, they know, hey, it's Vetruski. All right. I do wish they gave a better way of peeling this. Probably should have done that before I put the sticker on. It'll be all right. Just take the big scissors here. Let's make sure we don't have any sharp edges there. A little wire tie. Or should I just wire tie it to the pack, or should I use a carabiner so I can get it on and off? I think probably be better to wire tie it to the pack. Yeah, let's do that. I decided to use the carabiner for now. If I need to move it somewhere else, I don't think it's working. I think it's going to be in the way if I put it around any of these access points up here. I'd probably put the AT tag up here. I don't care about advertising that as much as this. I'd rather, you know, people come behind me and recognize me, the channel, or whatever. So there we go, man. My own trail tag. And if anybody's interested, I'm going to be bringing a few of these stickers from my channel. So if you run into me, you know me from the channel, ask me for a sticker. If I have one, I'll give it to you. All right, pro tip coming at you, because I'm a pro, right? So there's my backpack. Just about everything I need is packed up into there. Ooh, there we are. So excuse the hat. I'm only just trying to cover up my messy hair, and if I spin it around the right way, it's going to make everything really dark. So I don't normally do this, but anyhow, like I said, pro tip, because I'm planning on going on the AT. That makes me a pro. So there you have it. No, so certain things I can't put in that backpack because I need them. They're in use on a daily basis. So what I've done is I have a couple of post-it notes right here of the stuff that I need to take with me on the trail. I mean, all just really, really important stuff that I really don't want to leave without. I mean, some things like credit card. I'm gonna bring my debit card because there might be shuttles and stuff like that you need cash for. Definitely need an ID. You're gonna check into a hotel or hostel, so you might need ID and a credit card. Also gonna bring like my insurance card, so that way if I get sick or something like that, if I need to go to someplace. So very important stuff. Make sure I bring my brand new glasses. You guys like this? Like these? So see the like little blue in there? That's to help with like the strain on computer screens. So yeah, and actually, believe it or not, like I have boots and camp shoes written down because I had the luxury of my wife's gonna take me to Amicalola Falls, so I'm not gonna wear those boots. I mean, they're not heavy, but they're a little cumbersome, so I'm not going to wear those for the drive to Atlanta. I'm just gonna wear my regular tennis shoes, but I don't want to get to the trail. Oh, could you pick? That would be a disaster. Get to the trail, not have my shoes. And like for me, I wear a 13 and I generally need a wide fit, so it makes it a little bit hard. I actually have two extra pairs of the boots that I have in my closet here. So when they start getting worn down, I had the wife mail them to me someplace on trail. But even those, I found one on eBay luckily, and then the other one I told REI send me an alert, and even that took months. That's how I ended up buying the other ones on eBay. They were like a demo or a store display, so they sold them as used, although they weren't. But anyhow, but I got 2 extra pairs of my boots, so that should get me through the trail. But then also like my camp shoes, because I don't have them on the pack, because sometimes I wear them around the house. I really don't want to get on trail and not have those, so it's just easier to take it with you than have it mailed somewhere along the line. So yeah, so if you're planning on going on trail, there you go. Get you a couple post-it notes and leave yourself a note of all the important stuff that you don't want to leave behind. Pro tip for you. Smile.
Why you that leaving me again?
Because you wear me out watching you. I'm telling you, man, this woman never stops, man. Her determination, that just blows my mind. She wears me out watching. She was just working in the backyard yesterday, or past couple of days, but yeah, anyhow, I know it's sad, but we gotta go ahead and end the vlog here because I need to go ahead and post this. But don't worry, we'll have another one. Man, it's getting close. I mean, yeah, I know we still got another month or so, but I'm leaving in April. But man, the time is getting close to be on this trail. Boy, it's gonna be something else. As the date gets closer, the reality sinks in. I know it's still gonna be good times and all that. I'm gonna miss her tremendously, but boy, I can't wait. Can't wait to get out there. Be a lot of good stuff to see. So thank you everyone for the support. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and don't forget, if you want to help the channel out, if you're looking for some discounts and all that, links are in the video description down below. So thank you everyone for the support, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.